If Connecticut had one crown jewel, this golden-topped building would definitely be it. But here's the strange part. Out of 169 towns, why was this spot in Hartford chosen for the capital? And what secrets are hidden behind its walls? Most people only see the dome glittering above the city, but very few stop to even ask. Why here? Why not New Haven, Bridgeport, or anywhere else entirely? And the answer is not what you think. Step closer and the first thing you'll notice is the design. This isn't just an office, it looks like a castle from Europe. If you pay attention, the statues and faces on the outside are quietly watching you, as if they're guarding something. Inside the building doesn't just shine with marble and murals. It hums the decisions that shape everyday life. Taxes, laws, even the rights you have in Connecticut, they all begin here. But who decided that all this power should sit on top of Bushnell Park? Here's another secret. This isn't Connecticut's first capital. For years, the state actually had two capitals, one in New Haven and one in Hartford. Lawmakers had to pack up their papers to travel back and forth, switching cities every year like kids taking turns with a toy. It was chaos. But finally, in 1875, the state voted to make Hartford the permanent capital, and this building rose up as a symbol of unity. But there's something even stronger happening here. Hidden under the gold dome are tiny staircases and echoing halls that most visitors never see. Some say the basement tunnels once stored weapons during wartime. Others whisper that secret rooms were built to hide treasures of Connecticut's history. Whether all that's true or not, one thing is for certain. This building holds more than marble and politics. It holds the memory of the entire state. And that dome, it's not just a decoration. It was made to be seen for miles, reminding every person who looks at it that the decisions made inside of it affect them too. So the answer to the question, why is the building here in Hartford? It's because Hartford won the fight to become the one and only capital. But the real secret is this: Connecticut State Capitol isn't just a place where laws are written. It's a living time capsule. Every carving, every statue, every echo inside those walls is whispering the story of the state. And you can hear it if you just slow down enough to listen.